Telegram is rolling out View Once voice and video messages. Telegram is rolling out a bunch of upgrades as part of its January feature drop, including View Once video and audio messages, the ability to pause recording while sending a video or an audio message, and new read time controls. The app introduced View Once photos and videos in one-on-one chats in September 2023. Now, the company is extending this feature to voice and video messages. Users can hit the mic icon to start recording and then pull up to tap on the View Once icon to allow the recipient to hear the voice message or look at the video message just once. Additionally, Telegram is rolling out the ability to pause and resume recording for voice and video messages through the same menu. Telegram is also adding a way for people to see when the recipient reads your message in one-on-one private chats. You can turn this feature off in the settings. The company is also introducing some new features for paid users. Now, premium users can hide their read time but still can look at someone else's read time if they share it publicly. Plus, paid users can pick who can send them messages first. They can select either everyone or my contacts and premium user. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.